What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy technoboy, and these two are the active bookshelf speakers that I have built in a previous video, and they are like having Class D amplifier, which is right here inside this box at the back of this right speaker. So the amplifier, all the connections, everything are in there, and you can see the blue light is on right there. So this thing is just a straight amplifier, no bass treble control is there. In today's video, I'm going to test the sound of these two speakers connecting to my smart TV, which is right here. As you can see already, the YouTube is on, and you can see that thing is scary. So here you can see this red wire. This is the the aux cable, which is connected here. That's one, and no other connectivity options are there, as this is a DIY. So simple connection, the aux input, nothing else is there. So this thing, the speaker, where here you can see is connected here at the bottom, speaker connector. So everything is connected, and now I'm gonna play some songs here from the TV, and I'm gonna check the sound of it using the different preset equalizer mode, the movie, music, news, and all. So that's it. Now I'm gonna keep my camera right here, and we're gonna check the sound of it. So let's start.
Represent, gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Light it up, represent, had to do it hella big, had to run it back again. Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle, don't know what to say. Send me on my way to you. I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name.